Good morning, General Bowers and Sergeant Major Kitashima. I am Dawn Pilon, Assistant Principal of Kubasaki High School. Thank you so much for coming to show your support for Unity Day, as we stand united in the belief that no child should ever experience bullying.
It is both an honor and a privilege to be able to join you all here today for Unity Day. I'd like to start up front by putting a shout out to the Kubasaki High School faculty, students, and the community for everything you all have done over the last 30 days to bring Kubasaki High School back to a brick and mortar center of learning. We live in an information environment that bullying can manifest itself in many different forms. So from the school, to the practice field, to your social media, to different group chats, bullying is unacceptable, period.
Thank you, Sergeant Major, and thank you to the Kubasaki leadership team for inviting Sergeant Major Kitashima and I to come out here and be a part of Unity Day as we combat bullying. First, let me congratulate all of you students on just the amazing work you all have done over the past 30 days and tell you how great it feels to be here at Kubasaki High School. As I look around the school looks great. The areas are immaculate, the lunchroom is great, the rec center, everything about Kubasaki just says that this is a great place, a great center of learning for brick and mortar learning to occur. So let me talk a little bit about Unity Day and this anti-bullying campaign, and something that you all are learning here at Kubasaki High School. At the end of the day, what you're really learning is to be a leader of character. How do we define a leader of character? Someone who has three traits. They have integrity, they have selflessness, and they show moral courage. If you do witness any behavior that degrades another individual's dignity and respect, you have an obligation, we have an obligation to put a stop to it immediately. And that takes moral courage. And every one of you can be a moral hero every day by putting a stop to bullying. Honestly, bullying has no place at Kubasaki High School. As you look around and you see the environment of the school, the cleanliness, the professionalism of the teachers, the commitment of all the students to following the rules and learning here, bullying has no place at Kubasaki High School. So let's all work together as a team and put a stop to bullying. Again, leaders of character have integrity, selflessness, and moral courage. So let's all show moral courage together. Let's all be leaders of character and keep Kubasaki the great school, the great learning environment that it is. Thank you. Semper Fidelis.